Hi, this is Watchabil. This is another unboxing. It's a watch box. It's a Hamilton. So you may want to be wondering what Hamilton is this. Let me open the box. Let's see. Oh, a nice wooden casing. So this must be a very special, unique Hamilton. You have all the manuals and the guarantee card, warranty card here. So if you want to know what Hamilton is, give a drum roll and slowly. This Hamilton PSR stainless steel LED watch, Quartz watch. This is it. Anyway, I'll do a full review about this watch, and you will have a chance to look at it later. Anyway, thank you for now. Give us a like, follow the channel for more unboxing. Bye.